Ficus microcarpa information. Ficus microcarpa, also known as Chinese banyan or Indian laurel, is a species of evergreen tree in the fig family, Myrtaceae. It is native to Southeast Asia and parts of Australia but has been introduced and naturalized in many other regions around the world. The tree can reach heights of up to 20 meters, 66 feet, and has a spreading crown with a dense foliage of glossy, oval-shaped leaves that are dark green and leathery. It also produces small, round, edible figs that are about 1 centimeter in diameter. Ficus microcarpa is a popular ornamental tree in many tropical and subtropical regions due to its attractive appearance and ability to tolerate a wide range of growing conditions. It is commonly used in landscaping, as a street tree, and as a bonsai tree. In traditional medicine, various parts of the Ficus microcarpa tree are used for their medicinal properties, including the leaves, bark, and latex. The leaves and bark are used to treat conditions such as respiratory infections, skin disorders, and digestive issues, while the latex is used externally to treat skin infections and injuries. Overall, Ficus microcarpa is a versatile and valuable tree with many practical and aesthetic uses.